Why do you think that this is a really good question by Matt? Why do you think the lag effects of rate hikes is taking longer than expected to take into effect because of so much stimulus? You hit it right on the head, Matt. The thing that makes the environment we find ourselves in today so different is we've never had a situation in history before where the entire economy was shut down and trillions of dollars was injected into it while it lay dormant. And then we just turned it back on again. It's never happened before in history. Between the stimulus from the Federal Reserve, which amounts to trillions of dollars, and the stimulus from the US government, which amounts to trillions of dollars, nobody really knew how that stimulus would filter through the economy because it's never happened before. Nobody knew how long it would last. Nobody knew where it would go. The reason why the lag effect on Fed rate hikes is taking longer than people had anticipated, which is why there's still not a sign of a recession and we're sitting here in August, even though we've embarked on this rate hike cycle a year and a half ago, you're still not seeing a recession. And the reason for that is because of all of that stimulus. And all of that stimulus is still out there in the economy. And you still have people that COVID savings aren't set to run out until October. And this is part of the reason why the consumer is so strong. It's all that stimulus. The government is still spending money. You got the infrastructure bill. That's another $1 trillion right there. So that's still that money is money that worked its way into the economy. So you still have a lot of stimulus that's out there. And that's why the economy, in my opinion, has held up far better than anybody had anticipated at this point in the year. So you hit it right on the head, Matt. Robert, I think, Robert, I think you're right. You got to pay attention to what's going on in China. China is having a tough go at it right now. So you got to pay attention to China. If you get a bankruptcy and a default from Evergrande, that could send shockwaves through the Chinese economy. And then that would show up over here and you would get a continued pullback in markets.